In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy GitHub profile link. By the end, you'll have the exact link you can share in a resume, portfolio, email signature, or anywhere you want people to see your work. First, make sure you're on GitHub in your web browser and you can see the dashboard. Look to the very top right corner of the page for your profile icon. This is the small circular avatar that represents your account. Click that icon to open the account menu. If you don't see it, you might not be signed in yet, or your browser window might be too narrow. Try maximizing the window so the top navigation is fully visible. From the menu that opens, click Profile. That takes you straight to your public profile page. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your display picture, bio, and sections like repositories and contributions. This page is exactly what other people will see when they visit your profile, and the address in your browser's address bar is the link you'll share. Now, copy the URL from the top of your browser. The easiest way is to click once in the address bar to highlight it, then copy. On Windows and Linux, you can press Ctrl+L to highlight the address, followed by Ctrl+C to copy. On a Mac, use Command+L, then Command+C. You can also right-click the highlighted link and choose Copy. That's it. You've got your GitHub profile link on your clipboard. A couple of quick tips to make sure your link looks clean and professional. Your profile link should typically look like github.com, your username, with nothing extra on the end. If you happen to see additional parts like a question mark, a tab name, or anything beyond your username, you can remove those so you're sharing the base profile address. If you want to double check what you copied, paste it into a note or a message and make sure it loads your profile when you open it. And if you've just updated your username recently, remember that your old link will no longer work. Copy the new one using these same steps. To recap the flow you'll use every time, open the profile menu in the top right, go to your profile page, then copy the URL from the address bar. Keep that link handy so you can drop it into job applications, social profiles, or anywhere you want to point people to your code. That's all you need to copy your GitHub profile link quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.